This is my flaxseed. I always keep them in a tight container like this. So just go ahead and take the flaxseed and measure the amount that you want to make the gel. Then rinse out the water. Then add some water. Then after adding the water, bring it to boil for about 8 to 10 minutes. The correct measurement for this one, you need 1/4 cup of the flaxseed to 2 cups of water. That one is going to give you a nice consistency of the gel and you're going to love it. This one I did make quite a lot and it did give me a very thick gel. So here's the gel after boiling. This is how it looks like. So you just get some sieve or a cloth that's going to help you to extract the gel and leave the seeds alone. This one was quite thick, so I just went ahead and added some more water and reboiled again. I did like that, and the second gel was really nice. So this is the first gel that I got, just really thick. So you can do the same. If the gel is still looking so much in the seeds, you just go ahead and add more water and reboil again, and you're going to get a very nice gel. You know, you can't finish the gel from the flaxseed. Always there is more after you make it. So after reboiling, this is how it looked like, and I got a very nice gel. So I did like that about 4 times and I made a lot of gel. I'm going to leave a link in the description below so that you can see the other video that I made about the flaxseed. And the remaining seed, I just pack them and put it in the freezer for another time. So after making the gel, I just wanted to add to my oils. So this is one of the oils that I usually use. This is African shea butter. Just melt some little shea butter, then add some glycerin. These are my favorite oils that I usually use daily. Then I add some sweet almond oil, then I also went ahead and added castor oil. I also added tea tree oil. It's one of my favorite essential oils. You can mix the oils that you love, the oils that you have, and add to the gel. So this is my gel here. I had put in the fridge. It was cold, so I just warmed up in hot water. This is how it looks like. Then just add my oils in this flaxseed gel. So just mix everything up to get the gel. This is going to be a leave-in conditioner. So I went ahead and put it on a bowl so that I can whip it thoroughly. Just do like that. Mix it thoroughly so that you get a really nice consistency. You can see how it's looking like. Now I go back and put it back again into your container. Then you keep it. This one is just for the hair, and for the skin you just go ahead and use plain without adding anything. You just apply to a clean skin and it's going to help you clear the skin, the dark spots and sunburn, and your skin is going to remain really clear. You don't need to add anything. I was trying to add aloe vera gel and it was flaking. So it's better to be used alone, just like that on the skin. And when you want to use in the hair, just a little bit, you just can use it also, the pure one in the hair like that. But for leave-in, you take the one that you mix with the oils and you put on your hair and you leave it until the day you want to wash it out. So here I'm just going to demonstrate to you. I'm not doing everything here because there is another video, and I'm going to leave a link in the description that I had made about the hair for a full week. So just put like that. When you put, you're going to feel like your hair is straight. So you put in your style that you love and you leave it until the next day or more days. You see how it looks like. It feels really nice. So this one I did for about a week, and before I applied the gel, this is how my hair was looking like. And after applying this gel for a week, this is how my hair looked like. So if you like the video, comment, share with your friends, and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.